Hey, this is Jesse with Detroit Metro Auctions, and today this is an auction alert and an auction walkthrough for Doc's Sports Retreat in Livonia, Michigan. We're over here off of 6 Mile Road. I don't know the exact address offhand, but you'll have to look it up online right on the website at DetroitMetroAuctions.com. This is a demo. We are selling everything. We're selling interior doors, we're selling heaters, we're selling furnaces, boilers. Someone came through here and took some of the memorabilia, they took some of the TVs, but most every single thing other than that is intact. So we're going to be selling the rooftop fans, we're selling the fans that are inside of this place, we're selling all of the booths, all of the bar and kitchen equipment. We went through and been inventorying this thing for the last 6 hours. We did it like piece by piece so that everyone can get what they want. It certainly looks like a mess right now, but there's all this stuff is stickered and inventoried, and this auction is going to be great. There's all types of stuff here for everybody. There's bar mirrors, there's TVs, there's smallware, there's all types of seating. I'll go over into the patio area real quick to just show you what's going on out there. There's an outdoor bar here, so there's all different patio seating inside of that. We're selling all these track lighting. We're selling all the fans. There's tables out here, high top tables, bar stools. It's a different style chair and stuff out here. Right? So there's hundreds of chairs. Whole bunch of tables. There's 2-door coolers out here. There's bar back coolers, bar back equipment. There's point of sale systems. You need to go to Detroit Metro Auctions to review and bid. If you got any questions, give me a call or shoot me an email. We will be here for removal for 3 days. So that'll give some of the people that are bidding on the bigger stuff like rooftop furnaces, rooftop fans, the concrete gargoyles that are outside. That'll give them an opportunity to be able to hire a crane. If you do get smallware, I highly suggest you come here and secure it immediately. Once it's sold, you own it. Everything's sold as is. We tried to plug in every single thing that's here to test it. But to the best of our knowledge, most of the stuff works, some of it doesn't. You need to take a look at it online and also come take a look at it during the inspection day. So there's grills and 6 burners, holding cabinets, griddles. This is a whole dish area. There's 3 different walk-in coolers. This is a giant ice machine. There's a couple pizza ovens back here. The single deck Middleby Marshall pizza make line with, and then there's a double Baker's Pride 4-burner 60-quart mixer. Right? Auto slicer. Bunch of nice stuff in here. This is a walk-in freezer, walk-in cooler combo. We're selling all the racks inside of it separately, right? 2-door cooler, this one's not getting cold. There's another, this is the beer cooler. There's glycol systems. There's like extra kegs and party stuff in here. So that's a quick overview and walkthrough of what we got going on. Like I said, we're also selling the stuff on the roof. We're also, there's no water here. There is only electricity, and I thought there was gas. So I'm going to try to make videos of anything that gets cold or hot and do the best I can for you. This is an awesome auction. Please tell everybody you know, because this is probably the biggest auction of the summer, and we're going into fall. So DetroitBid.com. We'll see you on the removal.